Good afternoon children, welcome back to the maths class. In the last class you learnt area of a triangle. Today in this class let us learn about circumference of a circle. In the 6th standard you already learnt about radius, diameter and circumference of a circle. Let us recall. The line segment OA is called as the radius and the line segment AB which passes through the center of the circle is called diameter, and the length of the boundary of a circle or perimeter of a circle is called circumference of a circle. The formula to find out circumference of a circle equals to 2 pi r. This is a new letter. It is called as a pi, which is denoted by a Greek letter, and this number pi is a constant. The number pi is a constant. When it becomes constant means when circumference is divided with diameter, we get the value pi as a constant, and the number pi is not a rational number. The pi is not a rational number, but for computation purpose we use the value pi equals to 22/7, which is a rational number. By using the formula C equals to 2 pi r, where C equals to 2 pi r, where C is the circumference of a circle and r is the radius of a circle. By using this formula, we are going to solve the worksheet 5. When we use this formula means when radius is given, to find out the circumference we use the formula C equals to 2 pi r. And also we can use one more formula, that is C equals to pi d. When we will use this formula means C equals to pi d, how we will get means because 2r equals to d. That means 2 times of the radius equals to diameter. 2 times of the radius equals to diameter. When diameter is given, to find out the circumference, we use the formula C equals to pi d. By using these formulas, that is C equals to 2 pi r or C equals to pi d, we are going to solve the worksheet 5. Let us solve the worksheet 5. First question. Find the circumference of a circle whose radius is 7 cm. First let us understand the question. We have to find here circumference of a circle, and what is given means radius is given. That means we have to find here circumference of a circle. We don't know, we have to find. And what is given? Radius equals to 7 cm. Radius is given 7 cm. And we know the value of pi equals to, we have to take the value of pi equals to 22/7. This value is constant. So let us take formula circumference of a circle equals to C equals to 2 pi r, where C is the circumference of a circle and r is the radius, and pi equals to 22/7. So C equals to 2 into pi means the value of pi equals to, let us take 22/7 into r. R equals to 7 cm, which is given in the question. That means r equals to 7 cm. So 7 get cancelled. So C equals to, let us multiply, 22 into 2 is 44. C equals to 44 cm. Therefore the circumference of a circle equals to 44 cm. Let us solve next one. Next, second one. Find the diameter of a circle whose circumference is 66 meter. So first let us write the given. Find the diameter of a circle. So we have to find diameter of a circle means we have to find diameter. D equals to how much, we have to find it. And circumference is given, that is C equals to 66 meter. Now this formula to calculate circumference of a circle is C equals to 2 pi r. We can use here this formula, that is C equals to pi d. Why we are using means here diameter is, we finding the diameter now. So we can use this formula, that is C equals to pi d, because 2r equals to d. 2r, 2 times of the radius equals to d. So we can write this formula as C equals to pi d. where C is the circumference of a circle and D is the diameter of a circle. So by using this we can solve the second one. Now circumference is given, that is 66 meter is given, and pi, let us take the value of pi equals to 22/7. So let us take the value of pi equals to 22/7 and we have to find the diameter. D equals to, we have to find the diameter. D equals to how much we have to find it. Next let us cross multiply. So what will get? 66 into 7 equals to 22 into D. So 11 2s are 11 6s are, we can cancel here only. 11 2s are 11 6s are, 2 1s are 2 3s are, 7 3s are 21. Therefore the value of D equals to 21 meter. The value of D equals to 21 meter. D means diameter of a circle equals to 21 meter. Let us calculate the third one. Let us find the third one. Circumference of a circle is 176 centimeter. Find its radius. So what is given? Given is C equals to 176 centimeter. That means circumference of a circle is 176 centimeter is given, and we have to find out the radius. The formula is C equals to 2 pi r. So let us write the given. C equals to 176 centimeter and 2 as it is, and value of pi is 22/7 into r. So we have to find out the value of r, that means radius. Next 176 into 7, cross multiply. 176 into 7, when it comes to the left side, when denominator 7, when it comes to the left side, it goes to the numerator. That is 176 into 7 equals to 2 into 22 into r. Next r equals to 176 into 7 divided by, it comes to the denominator, that is 2 into 22. Next let us cancel. So 11 2s are 22, 11 1s are 11 6s are, that means 11 16s are 176. Next we can cancel here. 2 1s are 2, 8s are 16. Next 2 1s are 2, 4s are 8. Next multiply, we'll get the value of r equals to 4 7s are 28. 28 centimeter. The radius equals to, that means the r equals to 28 centimeter. Let us solve the next one. Fourth one, the diameter of a wheel is 1.4 meter. Find its circumference. So what is given? D equals to 1.4 meter. That means diameter equals to 1.4 meter. So what we have to find here? Circumference. C equals to how much? The formula to calculate circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So we can take, when diameter is given, we can take the formula C equals to pi d, because 2r equals to d. 2 times of the radius equals to d. So I'll take the formula C equals to pi d. When I'll take this formula means, when diameter is given, to find the circumference, I'll use this formula. I'll take the formula C equals to pi d. So we have to find the circumference. C as it is, alright. Value of pi equals to 22/7 into d value is given, that is 1.4 meter. Next C equals to 22/7 into 1.4 can be written as 14/10. So let us cancel it. 7 1s are 7 2s are 14, 2 1s are 2 5s are. So what will get here? That is 22/5. Let us divide. So let us see what will get the value. 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. Next 5 4s are 20. So what we got the value? 4.4. That means, therefore, circumference of a circle is 4.4 meter. Next, let us calculate the next one. Let us solve the next one.